Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy XRP aka Ripple right here on AXI Broker. For this, the first thing that we need to do is go right here to symbols, and then we select right here crypto CFD1, and then we search right here. Oh, there we have it already, but we search right here for Ripple XRP. And then right now what we're gonna do is we click right here on XRP, and then we do show. So now it's standing right here on our market watch list. And now we throw this to the market. So there we are. Now we have XRP standing here on the chart. And if you want to buy XRP just immediately, you can select right here the volume and then click right here on buy. So right now, if you can see, we just bought some nice XRP. But if you want it a little bit more specific, you click here on new order, select right here the volume. You can also create a stop loss or a take profit if you want to do that. You need to decide right here your order type, and then after that just click right here on buy by market, and there we have it, another position created for the XRP Ripple right there. So this is how you can buy XRP aka Ripple on AXI Broker. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.